Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabby and I'm going to share with you what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for February 2020. This is the second time I'm recording this, so hopefully everything will turn out okay. First, I want to share with you the bag that I got. I think it's actually really pretty. It's like a silver pastel um, pink bag with a purple zipper and inside says Ipsy. I think it's really nice. Really cute touch to the bag. Next, here are some masks. They're quite different. They're by Sweet Chef, right? Yeah, they're by Sweet Chef. 3 masks, kale, beet, and ginger. Every single one of them with different vitamins. This one is vitamin B. This one is with vitamin A, and this one is with vitamin C. So I think it's really good. Let me check in the phone because I didn't get the card here this month, which is kind of awkward. I mean, not awkward, but it's weird because usually the card always inside the box. So let's see how much actually these masks retails for. The Sweet Chef fresh pressed sheet mask retails for $10.50, the full size. The next product is also I kind of like a skincare. I think it's kind of skincare product. Is this one by Murad. It's called the Environmental Shield. Is basically vitamin C with SPF. And I think it's really nice because actually that's what I do every single day. I put my vitamin C serum first and then I put my SPF. You have to protect your skin against free radicals. You're adding one more layer. You're adding one more layer of protection, which is really nice for your skin. So this product retails for $65. Well, Murad is expensive, but I think I gotta try it. Next product is a foundation. I chose this one in the shade medium, and let me show you because the packaging is quite interesting. You think it's a squeeze bottle, but it's not. It's a big dofa applicator. You gotta be careful because because I dropped some product before. It's really big, as you can see. The color is not perfect, but it's fine. It's more like a pink undertone on me, but it doesn't mind. I don't matter because I think I can mix and match with other foundation and it will be just fine. This is called Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. I think this is a quite full coverage foundation. But the end result is really pretty. It doesn't feel like a matte finish or anything. I think it's more like a satin finish. And this one retails for $40. Wow. And also, well, it says that it's medium to full coverage, but I think you can actually build it to full coverage. It's really nice. I already tried it and I really like it. Next product is actually this lipstick. This is called Soul Velvet Lipstick by Touch and Soul, and the color is Soul Rose, I think. Let me check. Yeah, in Soul Rose. I gotta say, the packaging is super cute. It feels really soft and smooth. It's very sleek. And the color itself is really, really amazing. It's like a hot pink, but it looks really, really creamy. And I think this is a matte formula. I'm going to keep it because I have several lipsticks in this shade, but I think I'll try it in the future. It's a Korean brand, and everything that comes from Korea gotta be good. You know, in cosmetics, everything that it's Korea made in everything that's made in Korea is amazing. Okay, this product retails for $16. So let's see what else I got here. Oh, I got an eyeliner. I always get excited when I get eyeliners. Most of people really don't care about eyeliners, but I do. This one is by Il Maquillage. Is a felt tip eyeliner. It's quite long tip, but it feels really soft. That liners, I think, is really good. It doesn't bleed that much. Although it says it's waterproof, but it didn't quite work for me on that area because I have really teary eyes. But I gotta say, it's really easy to take it off. And it's really matte. That's what I really like it. And that's it. That's my Glam Bag Plus. So let me summarize what I got this month. So the 3 masks, the Murai product, the lipstick, the eyeliner, and the foundation. Oh my, I almost dropped everything. Okay, I think this money was really, really good. I think it's a nice balance between makeup and skincare. So I'm really happy, and I'm really happy also getting SPF. That's really, really nice. I really love it. So next, I want to share with you guys my add-ons. I always purchase some add-ons, and here there are. I got 5, 5 add-ons this time. I usually always purchase brushes, so this time I got this one. This is by Moda Pro. It's called the Accentuate brush. I think this one is really, really good for, applying highlighter. It feels really soft, so you can apply highlighter, and also you can retouch powder here and there. I think it will be really nice. It feels really light. The handle is really soft, and the bristles are soft too. So can't wait to try it out. Next, I got this highlighter. I make this highlighter. It's so gorgeous. This is by Cub Boss Fairy Dust in the color Moonlight. This is the color. It's really, really pretty. Feels, when you apply it, if you're familiar with the Opera highlighters, it looks kind of like that. It doesn't have any shimmer, any sparkle particles or anything like that. So I'm into this one. Next, I got this one. This is called 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Long Wear Foundation and Concealer in the shade MG3 by Pure Cosmetics. So, like I told you, this is the swatch for the Wonder Foundation. You can see next to this one that this one is quite yellowish. So I mix and match the Wonder Foundation with this one, and they look really, really good. This one is also a really high coverage, full coverage, I think. So this one is the Wonder Foundation. So you'll see it's pretty pink undertone, or pink undertone, or neutral. And this one is the Pure Cosmetics. This one is more yellowish undertone, more warm undertone. So that's the kind of foundation I like, and I'm really, really happy with this one. Also, I chose this lipstick. So good. I love the formula of this lipstick. It's really, really good. It's not transfer proof, but it's really creamy. If you have dry lips, this will be great. This is this is by El Masqua in the shade Bang. And also, last but not least, I got this one. It's a mini mascara by Do's Bombastic Lash Volumizer Mascara. And I got it because the one looks really similar to the real lashes by Benefits. To the real mascara by Benefit. So that's why I got it. So since it's new, it deposits a lot of products. So you have to really be aware of that. But I really like it. It's really easy to take it off. It's that kind of mascara that it flakes when you remove it. So, but it's really easy. It's not long wearing. I mean, it's not waterproof. Not long wearing, but it holds really nice the pearl. So I've been enjoying this one. So guys, I gotta say that I'm really happy with this box. You know, let me find out how much retails all this box. The Glam Bag Plus with all the items I got. So this box has a value of $152.5. So I think it's a really nice deal. I'm really happy with this one. You're only paying $25 for this subscription. This is a monthly subscription. And I'm really happy this time with Ipsy because last month I wasn't that happy. I mean, it was like, okay. But I think this time they made a better job. So let me know in the comments below what was your favorite product this month. I think for me, I would say the foundation, the highlighter, and I gotta wait to try the other items. So let me know guys in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!